The solar industry has matured. With so much change, a new solar industry is being born. SolarCon is rising to the challenge to bring you and your career an immersive and educational experience. For the first time, workshops have been formed for all pillars of solar. Electrical certification courses, NAPCEP courses, sales training workshops, design and engineering workshops, recruiting workshops, sales leadership, financial workshops for owners, software utilization workshops, legal workshops, mergers and acquisition workshops, and so many more. We are focused on representing all the pillars that make up our residential solar industry to bring you an event you deserve. You will still have the unique SolarCon flair. So many look forward to dedicated workstations and charging areas, a very large Las Vegas style lounge and bar on the vendor floor, interactive booths from nearly every major brand in the solar industry focused on educating you and your team on their products. The largest VIP room we've seen at any conference, live entertainment, private suites, after parties, conference rooms for rent, and the biggest names in solar all under one roof. Come and experience the future of residential solar in Las Vegas, April 15th, 16th, and 17th. Go to attendsolarcon.com to book your discounted hotel rooms before they run out.